episode. Today I'm gonna be playing Bugger. More burgers. Burgers! Look at burgers! That's what I only eat food served on plates. Okay, I'll definitely do that. What is the music in this game? Okay. Oh, there's a trail of cookies. Yes. Hello, what would you like? You like fries? You like mustard on your fries? Mustard. I like mustard on my fries. Okay. Willis, hurry up. What would that? What would that? What is that? Oh, she's a rat. Okay. You can take that out and... Okay. Hello, Mr. Fry Guy. I like mustard on my fries. Okay, here's your fries. Nice. Put that on there. Alright. So what we're gonna need now is we're gonna need this and put that on there. Got the meat. Oh, wow. Okay, so gotta wait for this to cook. Cook or else die. Yay! Okay, so we take that out. Nice. Epic. La da di da, la da di da. So we take that out. Make me your best bug. No. Yes. Give me the money. Money. Alright, so all we're gonna need now, we're gonna need the cheese. The cheese tax. You're gonna pay the cheese tax. Okay, we got the cheese. Now we need the bun. I like mustard on my fries. Okay. So we take that out. So we got this. Okay. It looks like that was gonna die. So we can always make another board. So we can always just do the next one. So we got to make these. Cook. will become Ratatouille 2.0. Okay, here we go. Lettuce. Another whatever. Oh no. You take that out. Okay, we got this burger. We got burger. Who ordered burger? Who ordered this specific burger? Who ordered burger? Okay, you ordered burger. Give me money for burger. Nice. Epic. Wait, can I do the jump hack with it? Oh yeah, I can! No, my money! Where's my money? Where'd my money go? My money! My money! No! An epic. An epic. An epic. Well, I reached my goal 6,000. So we took that out. Alright. Got the patty. Wait, no, that's not the patty. That's the bottom bun. Why am I so stupid with burgers? I thought there was more cheese somewhere in this place. Just ignore the others. Alright, so we're gonna need to open this. Ooh, this was. Okay, cool. Epic. So we're gonna need to cook this. Cook. I am Ratatouille. But except I'm not a rat. Because I have my brain paws. Okay, we got this. We got the patty. We got the patty. Now we got this. Okay. Alright, so we got order for burger. Who ordered burger? Please, sir. Take burger. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alright, then we got the money. Let's see if our rat wants the money. Let's see if rats can actually pick up the money. So, where's rats? Hey, Ratatouille! I got some money for you. Looks like there is no Ratatouilles. Well, if that's so, just need to do that. I've got a plate. Ooh, we got order for burger. Okay, time to get on the grill. Hot surface. No, it's not hot surface. It's like public surface. Okay. But this time I'm gonna do a wrong order. Well, maybe next one. I'm gonna make it just patty, and it's gonna be fried. And you'll see what happens. Yeah. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to grab this. Make it right side up and put that on. Nice. Epic. Alright, we got that, and now we need lettuce. It's healthy. Wow, that's a very good statement. order burger. Okay, here your burger. Nice. Nice. With my money, my new acquired money, I must do it. I must get up high. I also heard that there was some other places where there was money, so actually no. After this, I'm gonna join private services. See, oh wait, no, I don't mean private service. I mean public. So it's to see what the heck is going on. But I remember there being some money around here. Give me your money! Okay, you give me money. Okay. You. Yeah! Okay, I want to break another window. Yeah! Okay. You? Today you're going to die. Bye-bye. Alright. Okay, if this video gets at least 2 likes on it, I will make a fried burger. And if we hit that goal, I'll make one. And I'll make it like that size. So what we're going to do now is we're going to join a public service, see what happens. I already know that this is bad. Okay, who is the manager? Where's the manager? Who is... What the heck? What the heck? Okay. Yeah! Okay. Bro, how big is that bug? Okay, what is going on? Gonna kidnap you. Let me somehow get in. Hold on, I think I know how to. Gonna need. So earlier in the video, like when you grab a person, it broke the window. What about with this? Okay, won't work with this with that window. What about this building? I know. What about this building? Doors are already open. That's a good sign. I don't remember if this was the building. Among Us? No, it wasn't that building. I remember there being an Among Us thing. Can you people please say in the comments if they actually removed it? Because, man, I have not seen that in the game. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over here. There's an onion box. What the heck? Oh yeah, that was my thing. Ah! Okay, so you... Maybe I can... Just... Alright. Please open. Nope. Sega! Sega! What the heck? What the heck? Okay. It's weird, but... Just grab him! Bruh. Hello. I wanna be the boy. Oh, this? Mouse traps. Ooh, money. Stones money. Stones money. Stones money. Wait, so dollar? No, no, you don't. At the DD boys. Easy. Easy win. Nobody can beat me. Nice. Epic. Someone with buns? Why do we need more buttons? E. Yeah, E, 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 E. Okay, results money. Let's go, let's go. Ha 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 ha. Everyone else has 0. I sounds funny. Easy. Zap the rat. Zap. You will never get this. You will never get this. La 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 la. XD, XD, XD. Burnt to a crisp. XD, XD, XD. So I think this video's been going on for long enough, but I don't want to make a burger here because I'm a little bit nervous. So I think that will do it for this episode, guys. Thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and please leave a like or even subscribe. It would help out the channel a lot. Thank you. Bye.